Now, since this shed hasn't been completely finished yet, we're going to carry on with the tops here. We're just going to put planks all the way along the top to cover more, so you'll see that in the rest of this video. But make sure you subscribe and like, and I hope you enjoy it. This here will be the main beam going across the bottom, and the rest will go vertical all the way along, attached to that one. The reason why this top bit is open is because there's an electrical door there, so you'll see it move later on in the video when we finish, see what it looks like. These are the bits that will go across the top, and they're so short because they're going vertical. This is now what it looks like, and this is the workshop, so if anything needs repairs, we just put it in here. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have, subscribe and like, turn on your post notifications and comment anything you want to see, and I'll see you in the next one.